This is a quick overview of the admin module for Foundations. To access the admin module, click on the admin icon in the top navigation bar. You'll only be able to see this and access the admin module if you are a company admin for this particular company. Here you'll be taken to the home screen. You'll be presented with cards that will link you to the other sections of this particular module. Let's review those. First off is the user manager. In the user manager, you can see all the users for your company, as well as edit their first and last name, email, and any roles that they may have. The role manager lets you view all of the roles for your company, as well as edit the title, any reports that are associated with that role, and any users that have that particular role. The report manager allows you to view all of the reports in your Power BI workspace. It allows you to name them, select the report group, and select whether you want them to be viewed in Foundations or not. You can also select any of the roles for this particular report. Also in the Report Manager, you can edit report groups by clicking on this little icon, and then dragging and dropping your report groups and reports in any order that you want by hovering over this little icon here. Lastly is the Screen Editor. The Screen Editor allows you to edit your home screen, as well as any screens in the Learn More module. You can access those by clicking over here and selecting a page that you'd like to edit, and then using the Screen Editor itself. We will go into further detail what each of these screens do in separate videos.